So it's Wednesday the 21st of February, and that means we have less than a month to go until the March equinox. As you can see there, the countdown timer is showing 27 days, 5 hours and 9 minutes. Now, many of you will remember back in December, on the 15th of December, I posted this video, which was a challenge to flat earthers to produce a working model that explains the equinox sun angles and the operation of equatorial mounts on a flat earth. This contest has been running for more than 2 months. There has not been a single valid entry from a flat earther. What I'm going to do is offer a second prize. The first prize is the Mavic Pro. The second prize will be a Nikon P900 camera. So there's 27 days to go, and if there are no valid and successful entries from the flat earth community by this time, I will open the contest to entries based on the globe, and I will honor the first and the second prize. So the first prize, the Mavic Pro. The second prize is the P900. And with the equatorial mounts, you have to demonstrate how they are able to track objects in the sky, be it the sun or any star, using a single axis of rotation. I now have several equatorial mounts. These are 3 of them, and my big one's outside in the lounge room, but I have been using them extensively over the past few months, and I can confirm that these equatorial mounts can track any star in the sky using a single axis of rotation that is polar aligned, and that is what your flat earth model must demonstrate in the contest. So remember, just 27 days to go. If the flat earth community is incapable of producing a working model to demonstrate these verifiable observations that we can see in reality on the equinox, then the contest will be opened up to the globe community. So this is just a quick preview because I'm heading across to the USA again on the weekend, and I'll be there for several weeks. While over there, I plan to pick up one of these Coronado Solar Max 3 70mm double stacked hydrogen alpha solar telescopes. As mentioned previously, my new house location has a clear, unobstructed view of the sun from sunrise until sunset. So it's the perfect location to obtain all-day time-lapse footage of the sun, proving that it does not change size. Now, the benefit of a hydrogen alpha telescope like this is that it shows a lot more detail than is possible with a standard solar filter. As you can see there, we can see surface detail and we can see the prominences. So the all-day time-lapse footage should be quite spectacular. It's quite small and light, and there you can see it fitted to a Star Discovery Pro mount, which is how I plan to be using it. So look forward to those videos in the future. When I get back to Australia with this telescope, I'll be producing those as soon as possible.